Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Tamago Sando. Tamago Sando means egg sandwich. And for the egg, we use Japanese mayonnaise. And so we make a boiled egg and smash with using a special tool. And add rice vinegar, mayonnaise, and salt and pepper to be more smooth. Now, of course, if you don't have rice vinegar, it's okay. You can just skip and mix mayonnaise a little bit more and mix all together. And I use white pepper today, but you can also use black pepper. It's a big chunk. And then this dish is very popular in Japan. You can buy the Tamago Sando at supermarkets and convenience stores. But it's always good to make at home. You can control the sweetness and saltiness. So shall we start? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, the Tamago Sando is done, so let's try tasting. The creaminess from the mayonnaise, the rice vinegar is so good. It's very smooth. It's always tasty. I usually make this dish for breakfast and lunch. Okay, how was the video today? I'll try to put more quick and easy video in my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye. 음악はないのかな? こうライダー.